Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send bold text in WhatsApp. So it's actually pretty easy. We are heading over to the WhatsApp, and in here I'm in a text box. So I'm just texting, writing something, right? Let's say this one. So let's say I want to just bold this assignment word. So what I'll do, keep tapped on it, select it, and then tap on the three lines or three dots, and here you will find the option of bold, italic, straight through, and monospaces. So tap on bold and then tap on send. As you can see, the word that we made bold is sent with bold letters. So yeah, this is how you can send bold messages in WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.